Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Today we will be discussing on layouts. Today we are going for compact layout and as well like search layouts, then teams upon teams. And compact layout is a layout where you can able to see these layout in different ways. One is like on your mobile when you check with your Salesforce on any app, in that you can able to see that what exactly the things that needs to be visible on the layout which you log in. That is one compact layout which helps you there. And another one is like when you switch to Lightning. When you switch to Lightning, you will be having a compact. This is another layout. Even then, this is less utilized, means less used for compact layout, which is less used. Here, what happens is you can able to see the same layout details whatever we have, but the more or less, as I said, like that will be used. That compact layout will affect you on mobile apps. Mobile apps too. When you log into your Salesforce, what you have to see, based on that, here you are designing your layout. What needs to be visible? What needs to be visible? All these details will be shown in your compact layout where you can able to use check and all the things can be used here. And here we do have in that compact layout what are the changes you make, what are the views you need to see. Everything will be seen here. And one more thing I need to add once we log in into your system. Let me show that is better in classic mode, which I am switching to my classic. Once you log in into your system, when you click on object, you are going to see your view. This is called as view. What is this view and how you want to see this view? Because here you can see this view here like account name, account number, building, city, phone number and all the details. But how to edit this or how you want to change this? You can see account name, account number, building, city, phone number. Click on edit. You are now in all accounts. In all accounts, you can see this account name, account site, account number, all this. But as of now, when you log in, you didn't see all the fields here. What is that? When you are clicking on my accounts or anything, any accounts, you can able to click on go. If it is on all accounts, click on go. You can see account name, account site, building, state, phone number, type and account owner. Here when you want more columns to display in this view, more columns to display in this view, you can click on Edit. What happens is, you will be having the options here that you can able to add or change the required information. I'm just adding account source to this and as well as whether this account is active or not. Making whether this account is active. I'm putting this here. Let me see for account number. Yes, I'm putting account number, account name, active account site and alias. I'm just removing it. Now let it be. I will be just showing you. Seeing this, see here, you will be having a visibility here. Visible only to me, visible to all users, visible to such 10 group of users. Visible to all users is a default one, where this view can be viewed by all. The same view can be viewed by all. Based on that, you can able to select your requirement. Now you need to see account number. We have added active. We have added, then we just shifted the places. Account owner alias. It was in the last. I'll just move to this. Here I can account. Site is another one. Here we added account number and active. What happens with new update on this view? These are all called as view. Update on this view. You can able to see this account number, account name, active, all these details here. Here, what happens is when you are getting into account number, you can able to see or we can't. Account name, but account name. You can able to see the link directly switching to your account details. Where you can able to get into. Where you can able to get into the details of your accounts. That is where we will be moved to the record directly. Record. From view. This is the record types record where you can able to get into the records directly. Getting back to my view, I've just backed it. Here in this view, where you can able to remove or edit according to your requirement. Here again, you can able to edit your view by clicking on edit option. Then once it is done, here I'm just removing my account owner alias and account site. Then it is type remove. I'm just putting account number, account name active. Building state phone number. Whatever the field which I need, I can able to put this here. According to my requirement that I can able to see the details, and this will be moving your field from places where you can able to put that places here. Then you can able to save it. Active phone number, building city and building state. This is the view of your which we have modified for all accounts. For all accounts the same as according to your requirements. You can able to change. You can change. Your visibility of the records with your whatever the details you require to see, that is fields. All this goes like with your my accounts you can change and last week account this. These are all additions. Even though you can able to create your view, that is where you can able to create new view here, and you can able to give. That is the next. This refers to specify filter criteria. All accounts, my criteria, my territory accounts. Let me put my territory accounts. In this, what are the fields I want to display? I am just removing this type. I'm removing it. I'm just putting all this. Testing this. I don't want phone number, no site. All my testing, I have been updated. Then it is restricted to visible only to me. You can able to restrict that. If it is to all users, then you can able to select all users. All the users can able to see this. I have just updated it. You can see I don't have anything like no data. I don't see the data here. That is what my view is there, and based on that I got all this information. Where I need to give. Whether I need to give all this information is I need to get only the testings. Just added this. Why it is not showing? Because I didn't take all the information which is required on my territory accounts. If it is for all my accounts, then need to check. Let me see. Can you see? I took all accounts, all territory accounts. There are two different things which I have to do. One is territory accounts, and this is all accounts. In my all accounts, I can see the data which is there for all the information which I required. That is account number, account name, test. All the tests have been displayed here. All the data which is related to this I can able to see. Which filters according to my view. This is where you are going to create the views according to your requirements. It will be creating the views here. That is the view part then. See, here there is an option where you can able to customize your tabs. Customize your tabs means the tabs, whichever you are seeing here, that can be customized again. Based on your requirements, you can able to customize. To customize that, what you have to do is in Lightning, you can able to click on plus symbol, which is shown here. Once you click on that plus symbol, that routes you to the all tabs available. Tabs here in your app. That is nothing but application. Based on that, you can able to customize your tabs. That is custom my tabs. Once you can click on that custom my tabs, you will be getting all the available tabs are visible here. According to your requirements, you can able to add or remove or whatever the changes you want. You can do it. This is a customized tab where you can able to do it. I'm just adding my price book here. Here you can see only products, not price book. I'm just putting my price book and removing. I'm going to do a video. I'm just added price books. You can see my price books. And removing contracts, I'm just removing contracts. It is already there. I'm just removing that contract added price book. Let's see. I'm just saving it. And you have to be more sure on which module you are doing and which cloud you are doing. Here it is sales. There you took sales only. You should be sales. Now you can see I have removed contracts. Contracts is not visible and I added price books. It is visible here. This is what the customizing of your app application or customizing my tabs can be happened that you can able to customize it. It will be customized only for you. Who logs in that person can visualize this. Only for that person, not for all the team. It will not be. You have to be very much sure when you are going to give this application, also like which cloud you are selecting. These are all clouds which are available. That is sales, service marketing based on your cloud. You can be able to select one and you can be able to click on go. Once it is done, you can be able to see all this information which is available on this tab. Now same as go back and check your products. Products is there and price books. Based on your price books, you can able to see this as usual. Going with your objects, you can able to see each and every data which is available on that object. It goes with all this information. Products, price, books, reports, dashboards will be taken here. Considering all your information with accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, forecasts, orders, invoices will be considered based on your tabs. Whatever the tabs which you require to view and for easy or your easy usage, you can be able to select your and custom your tabs according to your requirement by clicking on all tabs. Based on clicking on all tabs, you can able to do that and going to the lightning. You can see all this in lightning again. Here you will be having an option of personalize your navigation bar. You can able to select this navigation bar and you can able to customize it. If you want to add more ads, you can able to remove. You can able to remove whatever you want, you can do it. But this happens in Sales app only. This is Sales application where Sales Cloud is there. Based on that, you can do it. This is what you can able to do in Lightning. You can able to click here and do the changes. In Classic, you can able to click the plus symbol and do the changes. That is where the difference comes in Lightning as well as Classic. Moving to Classic, that is what when we are checking with your view items in your objects 1 and adding your customize. Going further, custom your tabs. Customizing your tabs can be done with your plus symbol. And to be more specific, for every page, you will be getting a help. For every page, we will be getting a help. That is what the beautiful thing Salesforce has given. When you are in a page and you need more information, you can able to go ahead and go for the help for this page. What happens is it gives more information which is available for that page. You can able to see this. That is manage accounts. You can able to see all these manage accounts details. What exactly this page is all about. These page information will be displayed here. That is as a help. How you are going and what you are doing. Everything will be done. Being on. This is called as help. Same as when you click on the related list. The related list which are contacts where I have clicked on account contacts help. As soon as I click on contacts help, I will be getting all the details of this contacts. What exactly contact is all about. You can able to see all the information which is related to contacts. Before that, it was for accounts. You can see all the accounts details here and contacts details here. Next, sales team. Where exactly your whole team is. Artificial insurgency is a new one. They have been implemented with Einstein app. Setup of how you can do with your Einstein opportunity. Scoring for Sales Cloud. All this information that will be helpful for you to investigate. Check what exactly Salesforce app do. That it will be useful for you to understand the whole process of your page, whichever you are related with. That you are having. Lot of things need to be analyzed. Here you can able to see this, and this is like printable view. This is where you can able to see with my printable screen is where you can able to. When you print this account or contact, you will be visualized like this. This account details will be given like this. You can able to print based on your print. You can able to access this. And if you want to close it, you can able to close this window. See, these are all the options here. You can able to close it. These are all the help things which is useful to navigate your accounts, contacts, all the object related information from one process to another. This is what you will be getting. First one is the navigation page's home page. In this home page, what you can see is you will be related to new event if you are going to create any. Here you will be seeing my tasks, which are all the tasks that today I am needed to do. As of now, it is November 7th here because based on why it is November 7th, based on the time zone, you can able to change this to November 8th. As if it is in a time zone of 7th and November 7th, which is the US time zone. There you can able to see all your contact. Whatever the information that you can able to see. That is like my tasks, my things and everything. And here items to approve. If you are having any items to approve, you will be approving here. There you will be getting that information. See this, resign, approve or reject. Here you will be getting the items which is for your approval. If it is for your approval, you can able to select this approve. If you are going for a reject, you can able to reject. And you are having another option to reassign also, where you can able to reassign this item, whatever the approve item, to next level. Where if you are having a hierarchy called like all the information where CEO level and sales manager and sales rep. Sales rep will ask you for your approvals. It will be whatever he asks for your approvals that will be displayed here. Once this is displayed here, you can able to approve it or reject it. Or if you want to reassign to next level of your manager, you can able to reassign. Once you click reassign, it selects you to what exactly the home to reassign. Items to approve, everything will be. This is a view. As of now, this is a view. In that view, you don't have any information. Let's see you will be getting. If you give for approval, you can able to get this. Once you go ahead with 2 users because you are having a manager also. If I am not wrong, you should have manager. One is a manager and one person is other than manager. When you are having that, try this option. Go ahead and give for approval to your manager person. This is the user as a manager. See this fman login to this user. Log in to this user first who is having just a minimum access. Log into the user and this person who is Garuda. Garuda should be reporting to his manager, that is a subseeger. That person should have the action where once it is approved or anything need to be for approval, it reaches to his manager. That is where it has to be designed. It is nothing but once the CE or any minimum access of your users, you have to check with your manager. Here the manager should be assigned. That is must. Without any of approval, it will not be reaching to your managers. This is must where you are creating your managers list. This is where you need to give only if I am an approver. Here you can able to see that if I am an approver or delegated approver, only if I am a delegated approver. You are having these options where you can able to assign this for you or for your successive boss also. Here only if I am an approver. You are just an approver. If you are a delegated approver, where you will be getting the options to resign, to reassign, to reject, to approve. He will be only the delegated approver. Means he don't have any other option. He will be doing only for his sake. Next, if I am an approver or delegated approver, it means that you will be getting a chances to approve as well as you can able to approve also. You will be getting a chances to approve. Means, as said, like manager is a person where he needs to approve it and as well as he needs to reassign to his manager level. Means to CE or to other person who is in a hierarchy boss. For them, you can able to select this option and check this. Options are working for you as required, as expected or not. Just try it once. Just check whether you can able to get a approval emails. Also, you will be receiving an approval emails. After that, once you get an approval email, you can able to check to your approvals list. That is approvals items also. Here you can able to see this items to approve. If you check this items to approve, you can able to see this, what all the items you need for approval. You can able to see this here. You can able to select this and as well as you can able to reject this. Going for approve, you can able to approve. If you want to reject, you can able to reject and the option is you are having to reassign also, where you can able to reassign the approval process. You try it once. If you put it once more, you can able to create a user, another user where he will be as a sales rep, sales manager and CEO. Sales rep, sales manager and CEO. Given a hierarchy as such and try it for this approval process, where approval process comes into the picture from your whatever you need to approve in your organization. This is one of the way which is used for your boss's approval, where you can able to send in two ways, that is for your approvals. That is, one is through mails. Second one is through getting the items you need to get like this, the items to approve. Same thing. Next, the My Tasks or approval process are leisurely used in some business scenarios, which is useful in adding any marketing things or sales clouds, marketing clouds and service. We can use major clients whenever the major clients and approvals comes. But generally what happens is they will be having their own hierarchy. In the sense company will be having their own hierarchy where they can able to deliver the things according to their approvals in their emails. That will be already been designed. But if required from Salesforce also, then there is approval process which gives more information here. And based on this reflects only based on your hierarchy and user definition of you are going to get the data from your successive manager or from your subordinate as well. If you want to do anything, any information that need to be passed to your manager, again, you can able to have this approval process. And if you are getting anything that need to be approved by yourself, from your manager or from your subordinate. From your subordinate, I mean whoever the sales rep there. Also, you can able to see this approval process. That is, approval process are used in Salesforce very rarely. But if required, you can able to get this approval process. They have been considered as mainly useful for sales reps. Sales rep, sales manager. In such hierarchies it will be used. These are all. Next one is this is approval. This is where we can able to see my tasks. My tasks gives what I want to do today. My task information will be carried out with my date. Which date, on which date I have to do and what is the whole information will be visible here. Here what I want to do in your Salesforce. When you log in, you can able to see this home page. In that home page, you can able to see your calendar. If you are having any appointments, anything, any events, anything that you want to have, you can able to check this list here. that will be displayed, and my tasks and events will be carried out here. My events means it will be done on your calendar. My tasks means if you are having any emails, calls, any information that will be displayed here in this task. And you can able to create by your own also. Once you click on new system, we'll get back to your new task. New task will be created based on your subject. In the subject, call email, send letter, send quote others. Based on your subject, the tasks will be available and you can able to see. Here you can able to select this task according to your send code. Based on your code, you can able to see any information related to your contact. Where, whom do you want to contact? Contact information also displays here. If it is a new or anything, you can able to get the details of your contacts. You can able to select one from there. And if there is any related opportunity to get that, you will be getting this. Comments create as a recurring if it is required, keeping on this task to be recurred. For example, the meetings, whichever we do have at morning 6 o'clock, the same calls classes which we have. That is a recurring meeting. This will be done till many days. This is continuing in a process that is called as recurring task, recurring series. Where you can able to select this if it is a recurrence. When it is for whole day, whole week, daily, weekly, monthly. Weekly means on which dates, I mean to say which days. Next one is like if it is a monthly, on which date and as well as on what date. Again, it will be having that yearly. If it is yearly, you can able to have all these options when again it has to be recurred. If you don't want, you can able to remove that. There is an option as such and system will keep on reminding you. Whenever you use this, whenever you change, this system will automatically ask you for your task reminders. It will be keeping on throwing you reminders. Once you have that, you can able to save it. And one more thing is like attachments. Attachments, whatever the attachments you have, you can able to check that. Keeping on a main thing where you can able to set up overages for today. I don't have for today. I want to have this and I don't have this due date. If you're having any overviews today plus overviews next 7 days, next 7 days plus overviews all over. I'm just selecting all open tasks. My all open tasks are this. This open task, if you want to come, if you are to select like it is completed, you can able to just click on this selected. You can see that I have selected on send code where I've got this information, got it. This is the reminder. This is what my code will be generated. You have to send a code to this. This is a reminder. The reminder will be displayed here. If it is you want to dismiss, or you can able to select and dismiss. This is the reminder at 8. The time which I have set, that is as a reminder time. Where I got this information, like sending, send the code and the reminder. This is a reminder. I'm just removing it as a half hour and dismiss. This is what your tasks information will be displayed here. It make you can able to select that and check it out. Next one. Windows. All this information you can able to see based on your versions updates. versions updates. You can see on which version you are, like Salesforce 23. As of now, it is 23 winter. Salesforce will be giving every for quarterly. Salesforce will be updated. They will be having summer, winter and autumn. Summer, winter, autumn. This for three quarter. According to them, that's quarters. For 3 quarters, they are having different features that will be launched. Different features that will be launched for 23. It is like this is summer for them. Sorry, winter for them. There you are being seen on which version now we are, and you can able to analyze what is the version which you are using now. That is, and now this is in this. I don't know whether for you it will be different, I believe. I'm not sure because I need to update all my things in my developer app, developer.org. This is what whole thing will be. Like this, like approvals as we discussed, tasks, calendars, all this information which we go ahead will be according to this. You can able to see all this information with your appointments. If you have any, based on your appointments and all details, you can see this here. That will be displayed on your home page. On your home page. On your leads, accounts, contacts, you have been checked with your views. You can able to change your views. My open leads. You can able to select and go ahead with your my open leads. According to your views, you can able to see system displayed data. That data will be seen here. And here you are having all these tools. Also, if you are interested, you can try this merging accounts mastery, assigning accounts. This importing and exporting data, that is with accounts, contacts and all this information. You can able to see this here. These are all tools which are used in your Salesforce. As I said, like there is an import result where we can able to import the data into your Salesforce. That is option here, and account teams, team of the people whom you can able to get the people under one umbrella. You can able to put the place teams roles and all the according to things. You can able to select the team roles here. It's nothing much. Based on your role system, you are giving an option to have the team members. You can see that these are all manager level people where you can able to select according to your requirements. Team role pick list values which assign roles to opportunity team members and account team members. Here where you can able to assign roles to whom these opportunity or account details need to be visualized. To whom it has to reach out. First thing is to whom this accounts, information or opportunity information should reach. According to this pick list you are defining here. Based on your pick list, this whatever you assigns to the opportunity team members. That will be directly reach out to this level of people where you can. The group can see this data with that group level of assignment. And for them you are having a different page layout also assigned for them. That is account team member layout. Based on this layout, you can able to see what are the list of data that is related to your account role, team, role, opportunity access, account contact access, user account access and case access. Whether this user is having these details or not, everything will be displayed here. Let's see if we can able to see this. The system. As a system manager, I'm just a system administrator. I'm just previewing this page layout. This is what you use to get account team role. What is my team role? And opportunity access or contact access and everything, all the access of this. Objects related access will be displayed in team member layout management, and where you can able to see the team members assigned layout. The information of that team members can be visualized here by clicking on team page layout. Team members layout. It's team member layout. You can able to see all the information. This is also one of the layout where you can able to include or you can able to exclude the data which is related to your page layout. According to your page layout, you can able to add, remove or anything because we are already working on the page layout. You can able to do on your page layouts whatever the information you are supposed to do. You can do this here. That is where you can able to access this page layout with a team members where you will be following with a group of people who can access this. Team member layout. Account details. Account team members will be displayed in this. Where you want to go. You want to go ahead with custom accounts in that account team member and account team members. Account team member layout, account teams and account team member layout. And you are having another option like where you can able to broadcast the data. Where you can able to have this enable news. Where if you select this, you try this. Guys, if you are interested to it, try this and check this. Enable news, what happens? Enable news. What happens is system in the system you will be getting with all the details provides users with a customized list of timely relevant news from US sources. News, appearance and accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities and the home page. And the home page, you can able to see the news, data, news information. Whatever you are interested, you can able to select this and enable this. By enabling the details, you can able to see some information which is called as news on the home page. You can able to see that here. It displays some news here. In the Lightning you can able to see. Even in Classic also you can see. But in Lightning it would be on the home page where you can able to directly see and access the news. You try it. You can, if you are interested to try it, try it. Where it is in create, customize and going to accounts. In that accounts, getting into the account settings. You can able to in account settings. You have to select that through edit. Once you edit and select that, you can able to get this enabled. You can able to enable that. Based on your enabling, you can able to see all these details. Enable account logos can able to do all this information, allow users to relate a contact to multiple accounts. Allow users to relate. There, these are all some settings that will be handled on account level. Here you can able to see your all this information which you are with your personal account page also you can able to create. These are all things you could try it. This will be somewhat different. You can able to try it by enabling it And after that, save once you can save. You can see the data which is related for news data can be seen. Whatever the information in the US data, you can able to see that. These are all the things which you can able to try it for account settings. Just check once you can able to try this option. This is very much easy, just clicking by enabling it. Record type. This I will be giving this. What exactly record type is? Record type is generally based. I will just give an intro for you. Record type is based on your selection on the pick list values. The data or the page layout will be changed. Based on the pick list data, whatever the pick list data, the page layout changes that will be updated. This is called as record types based on your selection of that value in the pick list. Page layout will be updated. This will be used for if we are selecting any gender or in any case. In such cases, this page layouts and assigning that value will be changed. In the business scenarios in this, like, for example, if a user is having 1 year subscription in contract. 1 year subscription in contract and he is selecting for 1 year subscription. Automatically, the page layout, whatever the displays of his layout should be changed. This is one of the scenario. If the user selects 1 month, then again his details will be different. The page layout of that details will be changed. This is an example which I am giving for the scenario 1 month. If that user selects on the subscription, the page layout should be A. And if user selects subscription for 1 year, and the page layout should be B. In such cases, you will be going for records. That is record type. On the record type information, and when a user selects 1 month automatically to switch, the page layout will be enhanced from one page layout to other page layout. This is the option where you can able to select through record type. When you select 1 year, it displays to other page layout. For 1 month will be moving to other page layout. Their record type plays major role. Record type plays very major role on the details which we are selecting based on your selecting. Record type plays one of the major roles in data which will be updated. This is one of the important tasks where you can able to check it. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.